Welcome to the video. Today I'm gonna be unboxing my brand new embroidery machine. I got the Embroidery PE800. I just got it on Amazon, so yeah, enjoy. Right here we have the manual, a cover the machine, yes, yeah. The hoop, a 5x7 hoop, and this. Some thread, okay. The power cable. Tools. Here's one part. Okay. And then the machine. Haha. Okay. Here's the first part. This. Machine. Oh, it's heavy. But yeah, styrofoam. Okay. But yeah. Alright, I'm gonna try and set it up real quick, I guess. Gotta take all the tape off first. The blue tape everywhere. Alright. All you have to do is you just slide it on. And it should snap. Like that. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna plug it in. And turn it on. There's a switch in the back right here. Okay, language, raise the pressure. Okay, you have to raise it. I think it's on the back. Yeah. Okay, and it tells you it's about to move around, so. Okay. That's the end of the video. If you want to see more videos on the machine, just let me know in the comments, and yeah, thanks for watching.